Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Kanchi. So in this video I'm gonna review and demo of a product. Can you guess guys which product I'm gonna review? Because you know what, tomorrow is my birthday. So what kind of product I can review one day of my birthday? So really amazing product guys. Let me show you. Okay, so this is amazing facial kit, which is VLCC Natural Science Gold Facial Kit. Gold facial kit. It is 6-step facial kit guys. It is really amazing guys. I have used this product 2 times before. This is my 3rd time I'm gonna use this, and 2 times I get really amazing result. You can't believe this guys. It gives instant glow really, and it is best for every. It's very affordable. Its price is 250 rupees. Maybe it's not visible on the camera, but yeah, its price is 250 rupees, and it's a 6-step facial kit. Let me tell you what is the first step and the first 6 steps. So first step is cleanser and toner, and the second step is scrubbing. Third step is gel, 4th step is cream, and 5th step is obviously pack a lot. If you have to go any party function and you have to like thinking like what you can do before one day, and even that day also you can do this this facial kit, apply on your face, and you will get an amazing result guys. You a very glowing skin, and you must try this because it's very affordable and it's give you amazing result, and also it's totally natural, good for every and all skin type girls. So yeah, let's see. I just show you how to use this. शायद वीडियो थोड़ा सा लंबा हो जाए, but please you will get to know like how to use this. So and guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates, and you will get a lot of hair care videos and many videos. So please just do subscribe. बिना subscribe किए मत जाना आप लोग please. Okay, let's see. So guys, this is step number 1, which is toner with aloe vera gel. It cleanses your skin very well, and this is the most important and the first step. So we have to do it properly and have to give a good massage on our skin as I'm giving. So yeah. So guys, this is step number 2, which is scrub, a gold radiant facial with turmeric and gold leaf. This is really amazing guys, and this is our second step, and we have to apply on our whole face, and after applying this we have to give a 2 to 3 minute massage, and then we have to wash our face, and then we will do a third step. So yeah, as I'm giving this massage, so you have to do it also like this. So guys, this is step number 3rd, which is gold radiant facial with granite and gold leaf. This is also most important, and its smell is really amazing, and I'm just applying it after washing my face with the help of water, cold water, and then I'm doing this third step. You have to just give a good massage and it will give you amazing result. So yeah, I'm really enjoying to doing this. And guys, this is step number 4, which is gold cream, and it make your face very moisturizes, hydrated. So you have to give a good massage, and it's really important. As I'm doing, you also have to do like this. And guys, this is step number 5, which is my favorite, gold pill of mask. And you have to apply like this, and just you have to leave it for 10 minutes. It will take 10 minutes to dry it, and then you can remove it. So yeah, you can see it. You have to apply it like this and just leave it for 10 minutes. Now you can see it's dry, and you have to apply you have to remove it like this. And guys, this is sixth step, which is last step, and this is very very important, which is moisturizer, oil free moisturizer. You have to apply after washing your face, but I'm applying without washing. But yeah, also it gave good result. But when you'll wash and then you'll apply and just leave it for overnight, and you'll get amazing result. So I'm feeling very fresh, my skin feel very fresh. So yeah, you have to apply like this and just give a good massage, and face massage, face you have to do it like this. So yeah, I hope guys this video will help you a lot, and if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe guys, and take care. Bye bye. And guys, if you'll buy it from online, you'll get a amazing discount. So it really amazing product. So go and buy.